Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to go with something more fun and colorful. I went ahead and I did an affordable, like, colorful look. So I hope you guys enjoy. To start off this look, I'm gonna go in with the Dream Street palette by Colourpop times Kathleen Lights collaboration, and I'm gonna take the shade Magical, and all I'm gonna do is apply that in the crease. This is gonna be your transition color, and all you want to do is build that color up and kind of like blend it in all in the crease. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Colourpop Cute AF palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Big Cocktails, and all I'm gonna do is deepen up that crease even more. This is such a pretty nice like orange color, so just make sure you blend both together and go back and forth to blend them, and make sure like it's a nice transition. And then I'm gonna go in with Spoiled from the same palette. It's like a nice burnt red, and I'm gonna go ahead and use that one to deepen up the crease a lot more too. And this is gonna give us such a nice like warm tone to it, since we are going with like a cool tone. And just make sure you go ahead and blend everything together. I'm gonna go ahead and use the NYX shadow stick in Full Throttle. It's number 05, and all I'm gonna do is apply that to the lid. This is gonna act as a base for our blue shade that we're gonna put on top, so it's more pigmented. So just apply that with the brush itself, and then go ahead and get like a flat definer brush and like apply some to the lid. You want to make sure you like blend it upwards into the crease. And then going back into the Colourpop eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna go in with the shade Mermaid Boy, and I'm gonna apply this to the lid. It's kind of gonna help us set the base too. And you want to make sure you blend, like go back and forth and blend both shadows together. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the brown shade Friend Kiss from the Cute AF palette, and all you want to do is make sure to really darken up the outer V. This will make sure you have like a nice transition from the like crease to the outer V, and it doesn't look so out of place, and it darkens and gives it such a nice depth. And then I'm going to take the Golden State of Mind palette by Colourpop. I'm going to take the Pay the Piper, and this is going to be our inner corner highlight. And then for our brow bone highlight, I'm going to go back into the Dream Street palette and take the shade Moony and apply that to the brow bone. So this is one eye completed. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye, and I'll be right back. So for foundation, I'm going to go ahead and use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation in 209 and the Maybelline Matte Porless in shade 322. And the same thing, I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to my face with a small brush. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of blend everything out with the beauty blender and just kind of press it into the skin. For me, this gives me such a nice like flawless finish. For concealer, I'm going to take the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium, and I'm just going to apply that underneath the eyes, on the bridge of the nose, the tip of the nose, the cupid's bow, and the chin, and a little bit on the forehead. And all you want to do is go ahead and blend it out with the Beauty Blender as well. To set my face, I'm going to use a mixture of setting powders that I've had. I just like to mix a couple of setting powders, and all I do is place this underneath the eyes and like pretty much everywhere where we put the concealer. And just kind of buff it out into the skin too, so to set the rest of the face. To contour, I'm going to take the Colourpop Private Party contour, and I'm just going to apply that to the hollows of the cheeks. Sorry about that, my birds are going crazy. For a bronzer, I'm going to take the Milani bronzer in 05 Solis, and I'm just going to apply that. I'm not going to be too careful with it. I'm just going to apply that all over the face, kind of warm up the skin a lot more. I like to apply this everywhere to warm up the face from the setting powders. For blush, I'm going to take this Colourpop blush duo. It literally has no name, so I'm sorry you guys. I'll probably look it up and put in the description down below. So yeah, just make sure to blend it all the way back. For highlight, I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in number 100. And I'm just going to apply that to the highest points of the face, so the cheekbones, the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and continue with the eyes. I'm going to go in with the shade Water Beaver from the Dream Street palette. And all I'm going to do is apply this to the bottom lower lash line. And you really want to apply that really like tight to the waterline. And then kind of just go ahead and blend it out with the shade Magical. And then go ahead and take another brush and kind of blend it out, like blend out that blue so it's not so harsh and like a line. So for lashes, I'm going to take the Cocoa lashes in the style Misha. And for lips today, I'm going to take the Ultra Satin Lip by Colourpop times Kathleen Light in the shade Dreamy. This is such a nice, like, pretty warm tone pink. You guys, that kind of completes this look. It's definitely something more colorful, but I mean, it still has like the pink tones and everything. I mean, this for me is the most affordable product. I mean, I can't say they're drugstore because Colourpop is still not in stores, like, you know, and they're at Sephora, but they are really affordable for me personally. But yeah, I would suggest you check them out. But yeah, I really love how this came out. So I hope you guys enjoy this look. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you guys now in my next video. Thank you.